Good morning, everyone. Today we're embarking on a fascinating journey into the world of natural language processing, or NLP. In a rapidly evolving digital landscape, the ability for computers to understand, interpret, and generate human language is not just a convenience, but a fundamental necessity. This deep dive aims to demystify how NLP acts as the critical bridge between the complexity of human communication and the logic of computer systems. We'll explore the core concepts, the challenges, the underlying mechanisms, and the incredible applications that are already shaping our daily lives. So let's uncover how machines are learning to speak our language. At its heart, natural language processing is a subfield of artificial intelligence and linguistics. Its primary goal is to enable computers to understand, interpret, and manipulate human language in a way that is both meaningful and useful. Think about it. Our language is rich with nuances, context, and implied meanings that are straightforward for us, but incredibly complex for a machine. NLP provides the methodologies and algorithms that allow computers to break down, analyze, and make sense of this intricate linguistic data, transforming raw text or speech into structured information that machines can process. So, why is this such a challenge for computers? Unlike the precise, logical syntax of programming languages, human language is inherently ambiguous and context-dependent. Consider the phrase, "I saw a man with a telescope." Did I use a telescope to see the man, or did the man possess the telescope? Then there are idioms like raining cats and dogs, which have no literal meaning, and homonyms like bank that depend entirely on surrounding words. Furthermore, language is constantly evolving, with new words and phrases emerging regularly. These complexities make it incredibly difficult for machines to consistently derive accurate meaning without sophisticated processing. To tackle these complexities, NLP employs a series of systematic steps. It begins with tokenization, breaking down text into smaller units like words or phrases. Next, stemming lemmatization reduces words to their root form, so running, ran, and runs all become run. Part of speech tagging then identifies the grammatical role of each word, such as noun, verb, or adjective. Following this, parsing analyzes the grammatical structure of sentences to understand relationships between words. Finally, named entity recognition, or NER, identifies and classifies key entities like names of people, organizations, or locations. These stages form the backbone of a computer's ability to read and understand human text. Once text is broken down, NLP focuses on its structure through syntactic analysis, often referred to as parsing. This step is about applying grammatical rules to understand how words in a sentence relate to each other. Just as we learn grammar in school to construct coherent sentences, NLP algorithms use similar principles to build a parse tree. This tree visually represents the hierarchical structure of a sentence, showing which words form noun phrases, verb phrases, and so on. By understanding this underlying structure, computers can grasp the logical flow and relationships within a sentence, even before fully delving into its meaning. While syntax helps us understand structure, semantic analysis delves into the actual meaning of words and sentences. This is where NLP tries to solve the bank problem, distinguishing between a riverbank and a financial bank based on context. Techniques like word sense disambiguation are crucial here. Modern NLP also leverages word embeddings, where words are represented as numerical vectors in a multi-dimensional space. Words with similar meanings are located closer together, allowing computers to understand relationships and nuances. This also extends to sentiment analysis, where the emotional tone of text, positive, negative, or neutral, is identified, crucial for understanding customer feedback or social media trends. The true acceleration of NLP capabilities has come with the advent of machine learning, particularly deep learning. Traditional NLP relied heavily on rule-based systems, which were brittle and hard to scale. Deep learning, utilizing neural networks, allows models to learn patterns directly from vast data sets of text, bypassing explicit rule programming. Breakthrough transformer models like BERT and GPT have revolutionized the field. These models can understand context across long stretches of text, generating human-like responses and performing complex tasks with unprecedented accuracy, simply by learning from vast data sets of human language. NLP is no longer confined to research labs. It's deeply integrated into our daily lives. From the helpful interactions with chatbots and virtual assistants like Siri or Alexa, to the unseen efficiency of spam detection and email filtering that keeps our inboxes clean, NLP is working behind the scenes. It powers sentiment analysis for customer feedback, allowing businesses to quickly gauge public opinion. Machine translation, e.g. Google Translate, breaks down language barriers, while text summarization condenses lengthy documents into digestible chunks. These applications are just a glimpse of how NLP is transforming how we interact with technology and information. While NLP has made remarkable strides, significant challenges remain. Addressing bias in data is critical, as models can inadvertently learn and perpetuate societal biases present in their training data. Ensuring explainability, XAI, means understanding why an NLP model made a certain decision, which is crucial for trust and debugging. The future promises exciting developments, including advanced multilingual NLP advancement for seamless cross-language communication, and more robust multimodal NLP, integrating text with images, audio, and video for richer understanding. Ethical considerations will continue to guide the responsible development and deployment of these powerful technologies. In conclusion, NLP stands as a pivotal field at the intersection of human intelligence and artificial intelligence. By systematically mapping the complexities of human communication for computers, it empowers machines to not only understand our words, but also to engage with us in more natural and intuitive ways. This capability is unlocking vast textual data, providing insights previously unimaginable, and continuously evolving to bridge the communication gap even further. As NLP continues to advance, it will undoubtedly play an even more transformative role in making technology truly an extension of human thought and interaction, fostering a future where communication is seamless and boundless.